Hello and welcome to Goa 365's News Now. I am Manish Parab and these are the headlines. IMD issues red alert as heavy rains flood Goa. Air traffic hit. Orange alert for next 2 days. No taps, no water in Khotigaon's Pansuremar. Villagers walk miles for water despite 100% tap connection claims. And now for the news in detail. Heavy rain continues to wreak havoc across Goa, with most areas flooded and reports of minor landslides and tree falls. On Wednesday afternoon, a mango tree in front of the collector's office in Panjim came crashing down, damaging over 10 two-wheelers parked nearby. Fortunately, no one was injured. With the thunder shower alert still in place, citizens are urged to remain cautious.
IMD upgraded Goa to a red alert on Wednesday morning as the weather worsened, while maintaining the orange alert for Thursday and Friday. However, if conditions do not improve, the warning may be further upgraded. Tree falls and minor wall collapses continue to be a concern, and citizens are advised to exercise caution when stepping out.
आम्ही असं कलेक्टराच्या ऑपोजिटाच्या भायरूच बिल्डिंगेचे आणि पावस कंटिन्युअस पडत आणि हांगासर माती मोव जाल्ल्या कारणान आख्खो आंब्याचें झाड सकयल पडल्या आणि सकयल्यो गाडयो आहात पळय त्यो डॅमेज जाल्लेले आसा. कलेक्टराच्या बिल्डिंगाच्या फुडल्यानूच जाला हे. पार्क केल्ल्यो गाडयो सगळ्यो हांगासर डॅमेज जाल्लेले आसा.
हे पोवू शकता तर
कॅज्युअलिटी अशी काय जावना, पण गाडयांचं नुकसान खूप बरें जालां हांगासर. फायर ब्रिगेड आता पावलेले आसा. कलेक्टराचे ते झाड पडलेले पळय, ते झाड पडला पळय ते कापपाक लागून पावलेले आसा फायर ब्रिगेड. गाडयांचे डॅमेज पळोवंक शकता तुमी कितली जाल्या ती. हे जाला सारखे पेंजीम कलेक्टर ऑफिसाच्या भायरूच. फायर ब्रिगेड स्टेशना स्पॉटार पावले आणि क्लियर करपाचें काम चालू केलां हेंच्यांनी. झाड हांगासर हे काम चालू आसलेलें. हांगासर माती मोव जावन ही माती हांगासरली डिस्टर्ब केली आणि माती मोव जावन हे पयलेच्याच 2 पावसाक सकयल पडल्या.
Dylan Rodrigues, Srishti Athanikar and Muzaff Sheikh for Goa 365.
The government claims 100% tap connections to every home, but in Khotigaon's Pansuremar village, there are no taps at all. Residents walk nearly a kilometer to fetch water, some even dig near springs. On paper, the scheme is a success. On the ground, people are still struggling for every drop.
Pansuremar in Khotigaon has no tap connections, despite government claims of full coverage under the Har Ghar Jal scheme. In May's peak heat, locals walk long distances or dig near natural springs just to access water. For these residents, government promises feel far removed from reality.
सद्याक गोंयाक आशिल्ले डबल इंजिन सरकार अशें दर एकलो फुडारी म्हणटा आणि खंय गोंयचो खंय डबल स्पिडीन विकास जाता अशेंय ते म्हणटात. खास करून काणकोणचो जर विचार केलो जाल्यार काणकोण खंय आनी एक 5 वर्सां म्हणजे 2030 मेरेन वेल डेव्हलप जातलें म्हणटा. पूण काणकोणांतल्या ग्रामीण भागांची परिस्थिती मातशी सामकी बिकट आसा. एका सायडीन आयज उदकाचो इतलो प्रश्न गंभीर जायत चल्ला की ज्या जाग्यांनी कांय वर्सां फाटीं न्हंय बांय भरोन वताले किंवा आनी जे मे म्हयनो जेन्ना येता त्या वेळाचेर वतनाशिल्लो, पूण त्या न्हंय आनी बांयनी पिवपा सारकें तरी उदक उरतालें. पूण आज परिस्थिती उलटी जाला की थंयसरल्यो न्हंय आनी बांय सुकपा लागला. म्हणजे कालांतरान हांगासर डेव्हलप जावपाचें उदक, लायट, रस्ते ह्यो सगळ्यो फॅसिलिटी डेव्हलप जावपाचें सोडून हांगासर हळू हळू सोंपत चल्ला. म्हणजे काणकोणा उलट्या दिशेन प्रवास सुरू जाला. सध्या काणकोण तालुक्यांतल्या खोतिगांव पंचायत वाठारांतल्या पणसुलेमळ ह्या गांवांत जर पळयलो जाल्यार ह्या वाठारांतल्यो सगळ्यो बांय सुकल्या आणि गांवांतले लोक आतां आपल्या घराच्या शेजारा आशिल्ल्या व्हळाक थंयसर एक ल्हान ल्हान खड्डे मारून त्या खड्ड्यांतलें उदक भरून हाडून आपली तान भागयता. ही परिस्थिती कित्याक आयली ह्या लोकांचेर? एका सायडीन खास करून खोतिगांव वाठारांतल्या बड्डे ह्या गांवांक 2 टँक आसा स्पेशली, आनी त्या गांवांत जें उदक हाडलें तें दोंगरा वयलें उदक, आनी जवळ जवळ ही पायपलायन घातली जाल्यार सुमार 30 ते 35 वर्सां फाटीं. पूण आयज पर्यंत ही पायपलायन रिपेरच जायना, आनी एक पायपलायन रिपेर जायना देखून संपूर्ण खोतिगांव म्हणटा तशें सुकें पडलेल्या सारकें सिच्युएशन आसा. कारण संपूर्ण खोतिगांवाक सर्टन कांय जर कुसकी आनी येडा हो जर भाग सोडलो जाल्यार उर्वरीत सगळ्या भागांक ह्याच मुख्य लायनीचें उदक पावतालें. पूण आयज परिस्थिती उलटी जायत चल्ला. ह्या परिस्थितीचेर मात करप किंवा ही जी परिस्थिती आसा ती एडवान्स लेवलाचेर व्हरून आनीकूय उदक कशा तरेन सांठो वाडोवप हाजें मातशें अजिबात लक्ष दिवप जालें ना. देखून सद्या खोतिगांवाक आतां उदकाची टंचाई सुरू जाल्या.
कशें कितें तुमकां केन्सान भरपा पडटा उदक हें?
आमकां मार्च म्हयन्याच्यान उदक भरपा पडटा. मार्च म्हयन्या नंतर आमकां उदक आमगे बांय सुकता. मागीर तें उदक पाड्याचें दाटोवचें म्हूण आमी तें खायना. हें आमगे झरी भरून खुनून इल्लो फोंडार करून पळया पडो म्हूण आमी येवन व्हरता. 1 किलोमिटर पयसान हाडूं पडटा आमकां.
म्हणजे हें फ्रेश उदक?
हय, हें आसा फ्रेश. झरीचें आमी तें बाकी उदक पियेन दिसता.
हां. आनीक जे सरकाराची येवजण आहा पळय, हर घर नल, हर घर जल, ते सरकाराचे स्किमी ते अंडर तुमकां उदक पावना?
तें आमी ते चवकशी करना.
Devidas Gaonkar, Samrita Khandgaonkar and Sanika Nagvekar for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. And now for the weather. The MD upgraded Goa to red alert on Wednesday as heavy rain continued to batter the state. The unrelenting downpour, which began on Tuesday, has not only caused widespread flooding but also disrupted air traffic. As of now, the MD has placed the state under an orange alert for Thursday and Friday, but if conditions don't improve, another red alert may be issued.
Severe waterlogging has been reported in several areas, with Bicholi, Mapsa and Porvorim among the worst hit. Many videos show water levels rising to about waist height. So far, there have been no fatalities, but citizens are being urged to travel cautiously as tree falls and landslides are being reported across the state. The weather has also impacted traffic on land and in the air. On Tuesday, 2 flights were redirected and several passengers departing from Daboli were left stranded after flights were rescheduled or diverted. Authorities have asked passengers to check real-time flight updates as bad weather continues. Goa remains under an orange alert for Thursday and Friday, but another red alert is possible if the rain continues at current intensity. The forecast includes thunderstorms and gale force winds between 50 to 60 km per hour, raising the risk of further tree falls, wall collapses and localized flooding. Citizens are advised to reschedule non-essential travel and avoid venturing out during these intense spells of rain. Meanwhile, the only relief has come in the form of cooler temperatures, with daytime highs now in the low 20s. On Thursday, the IMD predicted the maximum and minimum temperatures as 29 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius respectively. Widespread flooding reported. Worst hit areas include Bicholi, Mapsa and Porvorim. Water levels in parts of Goa rose to waist height. No fatalities reported so far. Travel caution advised. Tree falls, landslides reported across the state. Air traffic hit. 2 flights diverted, others delayed at Daboli Airport. IMD places Goa under orange alert for Thursday and Friday. Thunderstorms and gale force winds of about 50 to 60 km per hour expected in coming days. Red alert may return if heavy rain continues at current pace. Citizens urged to avoid non-essential travel and stay indoors during intense spells. Cooler weather persists, daytime highs drop to low 20s. Maximum and minimum temperatures on Thursday 29 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius respectively. Bureau Report, Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. And for more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube, Goa 365 TV. Take care, stay safe and keep watching Goa 365.